Okay, so this video is an introduction to the subject capital market. So this is for financial management students. And the topics that I've included in here are actually taken from a book. The book that I'll be using is this one, Capital Markets by Norma D. Lopez Mariano. Okay, Rex Bookstore. So if you can get a copy, then you can also do that para naman mabasa nyo yung mismong content ng book. But for the video discussions, edi more on digest na lang ng mga topics na nandito. And of course, I'll still be, using online resources pa din if there are better, what do you call this? The better digest of the topics, So, ito yung mga content. First one, we would be discussing the financial system. So, meron tayong introduction, definition, financial system participants, yung ating central bank, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, and the Philippine financial system. Tapos, overview na din ng monetary policy and financial system ng bansa natin. Okay? And then, secondly is the financial market. So, you have your introduction, financial markets, definition, primary, secondary, money markets, capital markets, other markets, and then you have your types of investors. Okay? Capital market, parang dito pa lang siya lalabas. But, of course, it is part of the financial system. Okay? And then you have your financial instruments, introduction, and then you have your two types, the money market instruments, saka yung ating capital market instruments. Okay? I'm not going to provide you with the details yet kasi medyo technical and in a way, medyo complicated siyang i-explain. So, later on na lang dun sa mga specific video discussions for each of these, dun na lang natin siya i-discuss. Pero this is just an overview ng mga topics na i-discuss natin for this particular subject. So we have 9 to 10 weeks in the future for us to complete all these. Okay, topic number 4, we have financial intermediation. We have the definition, direct and indirect finance, changing nature of financial intermediaries, banks and non-banks, institutions, financial institutions. Classification of financial intermediaries, we have depository institutions, non-depository institutions, risk of financial intermediation, role of financial intermediaries in socioeconomic development, tapos we have economic basis for financial intermediation. Okay? And then, topic number 5, overview ng risk and return, concept ng risk, measurement ng risk, concept ng returns, risk and return, and then we have methods of calculating rates of return, expected return, variance, and standard deviation of a portfolio. So, kasama yan. Structure of rates of return, term structure of interest rates, theories of term structure, and then you have your risk structure and interest rates. Okay? So, one of the main focus dito sa subject na to would be the risk and return. And then number 6, we have interest rates and their role in finance. So, we have the introduction, concept ng interest rates, demand for and velocity of money, interest rate, prices, demand for money, and velocity of money, types of interest, difference between interest rates and rates of return, interest rates and their role in finance, interest rates and the economy, interest rate theories, tapos we have determinants of interest rates, measurement of interest rate. Number 7, we have the time value of money. Okay? Concept ng time value of money, simple and compound interest, future value and compounding, present value and discounting, net present value, ordinary annuity, and annuity due. Okay? Itong topics na to, na-discuss din to sa amin sa Math of Investment during my time. Kasi ang panahon naman namin, walang subject na capital markets. Okay, and then lastly, we have the capital market theory. So, after the introduction, we have Markowitz portfolio theory, capital market theory assumptions, capital asset pricing model, saka mean variance analysis. Okay, so for the subject, again, ito yung mga topics na i-cover natin. So, sa financial management, ang mga tinuturo ko kasi dito, of course, we have the banking and financial institution. So, doon na-discuss natin itong financial system, financial markets, financial instruments, hanggang dito sa intermediation. Medyo na-cover na natin itong mga topics na yan. Tapos, on the other topic, other subject, monetary policy and central banking, somehow related pa rin siya dito sa first 4 topics natin. Tapos, the other subject that I'm teaching in financial management is, what was it? Investment and portfolio management. So, doon naman, medyo nadidiscuss din itong topic 5 to 8. Okay? So, in a way, since curriculum for financial management, interrelated talaga yung mga subjects na nako-cover or mga nadidiscuss. And somehow, medyo merong mga topics na repetitive or nadiscuss na from a prior subject, pero madidiscuss pa rin siya for the current subject kasi, makikita yung interrelation and syempre yung paano siya mag-jive or paano siya nakakonect dun sa the other subject. Okay, so although dito sa subject na to, the magiging focus natin would be the capital markets. Okay, so ayun lang for now. What do you call this? Introduction pa lang naman. Overview ng mga topics na i-discuss natin dito sa subject na to, capital markets. Okay, so again, I'll be providing normally I will be using the book, but if I can get online resources, edi yun na lang, mas type ko gumamit ng online resources. Kasi provide ko na lang din sa inyo yung mga links, and of course, normally not everyone can get a copy of the book, so much better kung online resources na lang. Okay, so since most of us are online naman. Okay, so that's it for this one. Thanks and bye.